Hey everyone, it's Tim from timgagnonstudio.com, your place for online painting lessons. I have another painting quick tip for you today. We're going to talk about adding in subtle complementary colors as accent colors within your painting. So sometimes you may have a painting that has maybe a dominant color or two dominant colors, and something you can do to make your painting look even better is add in some subtle complementary colors. So for example, this painting here, lots of yellow, lots of reddish orange. So with yellow, the complement would be purple or violet, if you want to be more specific. But what we're going to try to do is add in a few of those subtle complements. And what happens is the viewer doesn't necessarily see them specifically, but they make the painting pop a little bit more. Same thing with red. I added a little bit of green moss on the tree just to complement the red. But what I'm going to do is have you zoom in. I'm going to show you a few little accent things here that I do to kind of make the overall painting pop more. Alright, so I've already started to kind of do it over here. It's really subtle, but like I said, the yellow, the complementary color to that would be violet. So I'm going to use some purple, so it's a close complement here. And I'm just going to take some of my purple and right in on the tree here on the back side. A lot of times you'll get some reflected light, things like that, within your painting. So reflected light or just kind of cool light that bounces off things. Adding in some of these little purple streaks really complements because we have a lot of that yellow grass down here. So the color is not too outlandish where it just looks really weird. And actually as it dries darker, and you actually don't see it quite as much, but it works great as a shadow color. So even down through the grasses, you can add some of that violet color, that purple. It doesn't have to be everywhere, but just little bits of it, and it kind of spices up your painting a little bit more. So you can, like I said earlier, you can see I did it with some of the green here to complement some of the reds that I have up here in the top. But if you wanted to go even more obvious with it, you could add in a little bit of white, kind of pop up the color a little bit, and then in through some of these highlights, or maybe, like I said, you have some reflected light here and there. You're adding in some of these complementary accents. And even though maybe like you're using a reference photo and you don't see those colors within the reference photo, that's okay. Just try to think of maybe adding in some complementary accents here and there in the future on your paintings, and it does just make it pop a little bit more. It kind of gives it a nice stylized look. Okay, so adding in subtle complementary accents in your painting will help make it pop. It gives it kind of a more interesting feel, and a lot of times it works really well with just your overall stylized look. So something you can play around with. Again, if you have a color wheel, you can look up all the complements if you don't know them, or you can just comment down below and I can give you some ideas for some of your paintings. If you have a chance, make sure you check out my website, timgagnonstudio.com, for all of your online painting lesson needs. Also, if you're interested in in-person workshops, make sure you check out my schedule on my website. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and share. I'll see you again soon with another painting tips and tricks video.